What's up, guys? You're gonna have to bear with me here. I think it's, not sure of the time, but I know it's probably about 12, maybe 1. It's been raining off and on for a good part of the day. If you can't already tell, that's a firework tube thing. And I'm gonna try not to get this wet, which I'm hoping I don't. This is a color changing smoke tube by Winda Fireworks. I got this at a fireworks shop just in town here. And this is a punk. You light the end and it burns an ember. I'm gonna use this to light that so I don't get burnt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it here. And put this in here like that. I'm gonna turn it so, well, I think it's good where it's at. Then, you know what, let me just try to light it. I mean, I don't think it'll really, yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that because I can use that later. But I'm gonna try to light it here. I'm hoping it don't burn me. There's no reason why it should, but let's go here. Okay, it lit. And I'll be first to admit, I probably shouldn't be doing this, but, you know. It's pretty much done here. Get a little closer and you can see it coming out still just right there. The only downside is it makes a lot of haze. Hoping the neighbors don't call my mom and what. I think he just lit a smoke bomb or something. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just sort of a short little video. I hope you guys are doing great. By the way, this was $1. I think it was worth it. I think the color changing aspect is pretty cool, and the haze is kind of starting to leave now. The smoke I meant, but yeah, pretty cool. If you guys like this sort of stuff, well, fireworks stuff along with variety, make sure you click subscribe, like, hit the bell notification so you'll know when I post a video. Other than that, take care, guys. Oh, well, hang on. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, we have 3 days till Halloween. And this coming Wednesday, November 1st, then Thursday is November 2nd for all you people who are Philippine out there. Well, I doubt I have any Filipino watchers yet, but excuse me. Anyhow, take care, everyone.